We are thrilled to invite our customer and partner community to Boston, September 23rd to 25th for our second annual user conference, NetBrain Live.
We want to empower network heroes with agentic AI that doesn't just suggest answers, but actively diagnoses and resolves issues to make them more productive.
I'm so excited for NetBrain Live because it's a unique chance for our team members, our customers, and our partners to come together and share really three things: stories, strategies, and scenarios.
I really love seeing network engineers grow from network engineers to network automation engineers, where they could work smarter, not harder.
This year, we're bringing a new podcast. This is going to be on the wire. I'll be running around interviewing people in the hallway and also have some really nice sit-down interviews with some executives, employees, as well as partners and customers. Make sure you catch me in the hallway. I'll be easy to find.
Together, we're going to dive deep into 4 specific breakout tracks and 6 full-day hands-on workshops to deepen your expertise with one-on-one guidance from our NetBrain expert team, solving your toughest challenges, overcoming every obstacle, and automating and accelerating your outcomes.
What excites me about NetBrain Live 2025 is very simple: the stories. It's our customer and partners who inspire us with how they are using NetBrain to transform their networks. That energy stays with us long after the event, so I can't wait to feel it again.
I'm excited for customers to see the latest and greatest of NetBrain, especially our evolution in AI, as well as how actually NetBrain integrates with their own ecosystem for things like change and troubleshooting.
See you in NetBrain Live. I'm especially excited about outage prevention track.
I'm excited to introduce AI-based incident analysis. Even more exciting is how the NetBrain can auto-generate knowledge documents, helping the NOC teams to save the time, reduce the downtime, and improve the operational efficiency. The future of incident management is smarter, faster, and AI-driven in NetBrain.
We have a lot of great things to show you during this session about cloud automation, about security part.
The feature of network automation is here: hybrid network, multi-cloud, and security. I can't wait to welcome you.
I'm excited to see everybody.
See you guys in Boston.
Can't wait to see you in Boston at NetBrain Live.
I'm excited to see you guys at NetBrain Live.
Join with us. Let's discuss and let's rock.
See you in Boston.
After all the months of planning and strategy, it culminates right here. This is where our vision becomes a real connection and where we get to solve problems together. That energy is simply unbeatable.
Secure your spot at NetBrain Live today. See you all in Boston.